Repairing of electric iron, part 1. Ordinary electric iron, that is non-automatic. Note: this video is only for demo purpose. If anyone is intending to perform this practical, it will be totally his or her responsibility. If so, then also take expert advice and presence. Take all the precautions, and as we are dealing with the high voltage and there is a chance of getting electric shock. All the best. Okay, we'll try to understand the repairing of electric irons. You can see we have here taken 4 electric irons. 3 of them are automatic, and this one is your ordinary one or non-automatic, and other 3 are the automatic. We'll check what is the problem with this. Later on we'll try to repair them, or one of them repair, and we'll try to understand. Okay, we'll check one by one. These are ordinary iron. This lamp test is ready here. Okay, so we'll just check the first the coil is okay. So we'll connect this to the terminal. The bulb is off, that means the coil is open in this case. So there could be some chances that it is off, so it will not show open. So I put it on again. Let's check again. So that means coil is okay here. See this bright, this little dim, coil is okay. We can check for leakage. This, there is no leakage here. We can check for earthing also. Okay, earthing also not given, so we need to repair this later on. We'll check this electric iron. Okay, the coil is okay. See the bright, little dim, coil is okay. We'll check for the leak, if there is any leakage. Okay, there is no leakage. We'll check for the earthing. Touch one of the terminal of the body. Order to this, we find that there is earthing in there. So as such, there is no fault in this. They will check what other fault is there later on. We'll check here. Okay, with the bright, till dim, the coil is okay. We'll check for any leakage. No leakage. We'll check for earthing. Okay, earthing is also provided. So as such, there is no issue in this. If there is any other issue, we'll check later on. There is one more here. I'm connecting this to the terminal here. Okay, it's a dim. Maybe kept on high temperature. That's a little dim. That means good. We'll check for leakage. There's no leakage. There's no leakage. We'll check for earthing. Touch to the metallic part of the body and to the terminal point, grounding, earthing point. Okay, there's earthing. As such, there's no fault as such found in this any of the electric iron. Only this was having earthing problem. So we'll open this and also open one of them to check there's any fault. Okay, we'll try to open this. There will be some nut bolt system here as a ordinary iron. This is a centralized one. Since very old, we have make use some other element to make it tight. Okay, so this has been already opened. Okay. We can see we have removed here. So this is the porcelain clips which connect, which are applied for insulation. This is mica sheet. Mica sheet. This will go for this. I will go for connection to the coil. First, we'll check the coil. Again, you can see here. This is the base plate, which is very heavy. Decide the weight of the electric iron. This is the connector of the central part. This is actually a pressure plate, very small, otherwise you get very thick one. This is just for the adjustment and tight. Okay, you keep here. This is your mica sheet, mica sheet, which is provided for insulation, upper and down part. And this is your what is called as the nichrome wire or the heating coil, which is wounded on mica sheets and kept on this mica sheet. So we'll redo it. This need to be replaced. Right now we don't have, so we're keeping this as it is. Okay, now we'll keep the coil. Okay, let's check for the coil again. The coil is okay. You can check the leakage here also. See if anywhere body is touching, not touching, right? If by chance this touch to the body is touching it, then it will show a leakage. Okay, then definitely will show a leakage. You can see now there's a leakage. So that is a way of understanding the leakage. When one of the wire touches the body, there's a leakage. Now we'll connect the supply to this ends of terminal housing to the here. Let's see. If you want to remove, you can remove full part, or if you can connect it, you can connect. Understand that also. You can tighten it on. So we'll try to connect your heating coil here. You have to put a sleeves here. Right now we don't have sleeves. If you use the tape and insulate, you'll find that it will melt out. So you have to use a sleeves for this, or any mica sheet can be done. So this is okay for ready. So now we'll refix it. Keep here. You see, if you see here, we found that the coil was okay. There was no earthing because this earthing terminal has been somehow removed. It's not touching any part of the body. That is the reason the earthing was not provided. So today we'll do complete this earthing, and this is the porcelain cleats which provide the insulation to the appliance. Okay, let's connect them again now. First we'll do the connection here. We have connected this, you can see. After doing this, you can make some porcelain kit insulation, and you get some visor over it which will be used to tighten it so that it gets a perfect insulation. So this will provide an insulation to the device. Only make sure that it doesn't touch the body. So you have to bring it to the part of this like this. So you see, I'm trying to show all the possible faults you can also do. So continue and just connect this porcelain piece over this. Okay, now you can connect. So there is no chances of leakage. The body will not touch to the coil or the heating element terminal. So this will be nice and better. Now you can see there is a better insulation. No problem. Porcelain cleat here also, and pass the heating element. Oh, this. Connect this and touch. Tight to the nut bolt. So your coil is almost ready. Only we need to put some sleeves here to avoid your leakage. Let's check with the series lamp test before we fix it. Oh, fine. These are cord. Fine. No leakage. Oh, there's still some leakage. This leakage, earthing, yes, earthing. So there's still some leakage. Maybe because somewhere the body is touching here. You can see this insulation has gone. So we need to provide some insulation to it. So then only it will show no leakage. See, this is touching the body. So this is how the fault can occur. See, okay, and anywhere it can touch the body here like this. So we need to provide a necessary insulation. Let's check again. Provide the insulation to this here to make sure this doesn't touch any part of the body right from here to here. Again, this end of the terminal doesn't touch any part of the body. There's no issue with the coil and leakage. Regarding earthing, we already connected the earthing. Okay, then just pack up these things. Okay, the way it is supposed to be, and pass through the nut like this, and just join this from below. Different electric iron will be in a different way. The connections are different. So you should know how it could be connected. But this is one of the very oldest one. I just taken it from some scrap and just trying to show you. It's all purpose of demo. So you may get some still better than this for repairing. So you will not have such issue of the nuts, screw bolts and all that. But still I'm showing to you for the demo. Okay, like then you connect it and just tight your screw. Okay, this password nut over bolt to her. Your thing is done. Okay, so you don't have nut bolt also for this. And we need to tight it. Okay, so this will complete your repairing of your ordinary electric iron.